In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign your own documents in DocuSign electronically. This comprehensive 2025 guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can efficiently and securely sign your documents. Starting off, we'll go directly to the DocuSign website if you already have an account you want to log in, but if not, you'll need to sign up. It's straightforward, just follow the prompts on the screen for either logging in or creating your new account. This is the home page where you'll manage all your documents that need signing. Next, you're going to find the document you wish to sign. Look for the option labeled as Documents, which is typically found in the dashboard menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of documents that you've uploaded. If you haven't uploaded your document yet, simply click the Upload button to bring your document into the system. Once you've selected the document you wish to sign, proceed by clicking on the option I'm the only signer. This step is crucial because you're indicating to DocuSign that no other parties are required to sign this document. This will help streamline the signing process, ensuring there are no unnecessary steps or waiting times. Now that you've indicated you're the sole signer, you'll want to select the Sign option. This action will take you to the page where you can actually position your signature on the document. You'll have the option to create a new signature if you haven't done so already. DocuSign provides a range of styles for your signature, or you can even draw your own. Make sure that your signature is readable and professional, reflecting your personal or business identity. Once you've set up your signature, the next action is to click on Signature. This involves placing your signature onto the document. You'll see a highlighted area where you're required to sign. Take a moment to review the document, and once you're certain everything is in order, proceed by dropping your signature into place. Finally, with everything set, click on the Finish button. DocuSign will then process your signature and confirm that your document is signed. After this, your document will be securely saved and accessible from your account or sent to the respective parties if needed. DocuSign will also typically send you a confirmation email detailing the completed signing process. And that's it! You've successfully signed your document electronically using DocuSign. Remember, you can always revisit this process for any future documents you need to sign. I hope this guide was helpful and empowers you to manage your digital signatures with ease and confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to check the help section on DocuSign's website or reach out for support. Thank you for watching and happy signing.